Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix your Ethernet connection. Let's start. First, we need to get our connectors. As you can see, mine is R8169. So I'm going to the message grab R8169, and um, if you check, there is EMP option. It will show you your Ethernet. It will be very right. This will probably change to your Ethernet connection. Mine is like this, but it may change for you. So you are going to type this, and let's wait a minute. And we are typing this. I already made it, so it should work for me. And as you can see, ping happens. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching. Good days.